Hi, this is Renee from my crafty table. I wanted to come back and share with you some more of the cards that I have been able to make using paper out of this paper pad. In my previous video, I did share how I wanted to challenge myself and use this pad for the month of June patterns. I've been able to make 15 or use 15 sheets out of this so far, but today I'm just going to share with you a few of them. And then I also wanted to incorporate some DollarTree stickers on a You're the Best card, and I did definitely struggle with the background on how to use this. I figured this, I guess this is supposed to be some flower petals, and then I truly struggle with abstract paper designs. So I went ahead and I just cut it out. I added in the sticker. This is one sticker from the Dollar Tree, and then I just stamped out You're the Best. I did die cut on some white cardstock, and I added those just to add a little bit more dimension to this card. On the inside it is blank because I don't know if I have any other sentiment that would match what I think this is, like a You're the Best type of thank you. I don't know. I thought I would leave it blank for now. I went ahead and I used those same die cuts and I added them as a decorative touch on the inside. So I think I like that color combination. So these are the Dollar Tree stickers that I was talking about wanting to use. I've had them for quite a while. I got them, I think, last year. And so as you can see here, I have used several of them, which I'm actually proud of because I'm horrible at that. And then this is another stamp set that I got from Michael's. I think it's on clearance, but I only used a few of them. So I used that thank you. And then what they also have is where you can stamp and outline it, but I didn't do that. Let's see. You're the Best. Where did I get that one from? I had to make a thank you card for one of for our chief of staff that left, and so I was playing around with some thank you sentiments and just some ideas. I thought that she might appreciate a thank you card, like a shaker card, so I went ahead and I made a shaker. This is the pattern paper from that paper pad, and then I felt like it needed something else to tie it in, so I got this from another sheet. This is not a Dollar Tree sticker either, but on the inside, I just kept it simple for all you do. And it's been a while since I made any shakers, and I'm still learning. So they're not shaking. They're really, I didn't do this card correctly. And oh, there's the second card that I made using a sticker. This here is just a plain hello card. I don't think I did anything on the inside, but there's the Dollar Tree sticker. Again, I struggled to use those abstract prints that are in that paper pad, and the only way that I could think of using it was just to cut a strip here. I went into my other paper pads, and this background is not from there, and I used it. I die cut this hello, and then I die cut it twice in yellow and then in white. That hello sentiment came from this, the Crafters Workshop. It's a metal die that I got at Tuesday morning. I would go ahead and try to make some thank you gift card holders. So I pulled out some of that abstract paper that I didn't know how to use, and I used it to go ahead and create this. It opens up like that, and then you place your gift card on this side. And I will go ahead and I'll put the video that I watched, or that I watched and was inspired to make it look like this. And then on the inside I just die cut a smaller shape and I put for all you do. I liked how that one came out, so then I went ahead and I made another one, and pocket, and then on the inside I just kept it the same. I stamped for all you do. I was kind of inspired to keep going on and making the gift card holders. I did one that was a happy birthday, so I used to celebrate, and I don't know if you can see that very well, but on my end you can. I felt like I wanted to use some of the scrap pieces that were left over from my previous cards, and I just stamped happy birthday to you, and then I added the Dollar Tree sticker, and then there's the gift card holder on this side. And then because I wanted to make sure that the person that was going to be writing a note in here knew to stay in this area, I went ahead and I stamped in yellow just some little ferns. So, and the gift card fits nicely in there. Use up some scrap papers, and this one I used the smile die cut, and then another stamp sentiment. I wanted to definitely use this sticker on the front because this circular paper is from the shaker. And then on the inside I used my decorative punch, and I just used the scraps to put this one together, and I really like the way it came out. I used one of my smallest bow tie dies as. Here's the stamp that I used for that one. Know that you are loved, and I got it from Hobby Lobby on clearance. I hope you're enjoying watching me use this paper pad up, and I will be back another time. I have a few more that I have made,